Hello, I'm David Gerard and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, the England and Wales High Court tells lawyers to stop leaning on the chatbot or else. So we've covered before how US lawyers have spent the past 2 years filing briefs full of citations to non-existent cases because a chatbot made them up. You'd think these intelligent and educated people would know better than to pull this. You'd think this was obvious, but it keeps happening. Sadly, the UK is no different. There were 2 cases just recently where a chatbot made up citations. One, a local council failing to provide housing, Ayindi versus Haringey, and the other, a claim for £89 million in financial damages, Al Haroun versus Qatar National Bank. In the housing case, a junior lawyer working for a legal charity submitted a bunch of non-existent citations. In the finance case, the expensive and high-powered legal firm accepted a list of made-up cases from the client, including a fake site in the name of the judge in the case. That didn't go down well. The lower courts referred the made-up citations issue to the High Court, which has supervisory power over lower courts and over lawyers as officers of the court. The judgment is directed at, quote, every individual currently providing legal services within this jurisdiction. The High Court heard the case in May, and it considered contempt proceedings against the lawyers over wasting everyone's time with fake citations. The judgment dropped yesterday. It's very readable, in the genre deeply annoyed judge lays the smackdown. You should sit down with it, it's just 29 pages and it's a banger. The facts in these cases raise concerns about the competence and conduct of the individual lawyers who have been referred to this court. So Dame Victoria Sharp, President of the King's Bench of the High Court, and Mr. Justice Jeremy Johnson note that the risks of AI in legal research should be well known by now. Quote, freely available generative artificial intelligence tools trained on large language models such as ChatGPT are not capable of conducting reliable legal research. Unquote. The judges list previous regulator guidance telling England-Wales lawyers not to be idiots with the chatbots, but evidently this was ignored. So, practical and effective measures must now be taken. The court's powers include public admonition of the lawyer, the imposition of a costs order, the imposition of a wasted costs order, striking out a case, referral to a regulator, the initiation of contempt proceedings, and referral to the police. Sharp and Johnson outline how to apply penalties for fake chatbot citations, depending on whether the lawyer intended to deceive the court or they were just being an idiot. But a referral to their regulator is the very least penalty that's likely to apply. Good. They then go through the specific 2 cases at hand. The lawyers in these 2 cases were not found in contempt of court, though one had reached that bar, but they were referred to their regulators. Sharp and Johnson finish by telling the regulators to clamp down hard on AI nonsense. Promulgating such guidance on its own is insufficient to address the misuse of artificial intelligence. More needs to be done to ensure that the guidance is followed and lawyers comply with their duties to the court. A copy of this judgment will be sent to the Bar Council and the Law Society and to the Council of the Inns of Court. We invite them to consider as a matter of urgency what further steps they should now take in the light of this judgment. This judgment is a final warning to England and Wales lawyers who lean on the chatbot. Don't be a dumbass. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Please hit like and subscribe or leave a podcast review. And if you like this episode, please tell one other person about it. Pivot is funded by you, the viewers and listeners, at the Patreon in the show notes. Thank you all. See you tomorrow, and bye for now.